So another modification in the category of modification of 12s. Today we are taking the next modification that is known as combined. Before this, we have covered waved 12, herringbone 12, curved 12, broken 12, and transposed or rearranged 12s in the modification of 12s. So 5 modifications of 12 already we have done. Now today we will try to cover these 2 remaining modifications of 12. One is combined 12, another is elongated 12s. So first we are taking combined 12s, and as from the name it is clear, these can be produced by combining 2 or more small 12 weaves, either endwise or pickwise, alternately or in pair or in large group of threads. So here we have a few things which we have to understand, or we should focus personally on every point, that it can be constructed by combining 2 or more small twills. So either we can combine 2 small twills or more than 2 small twills can be combined. But generally we prefer combining of 2 twills only, so that the design will be also, the construction of the design will be easy, as well as it will not have that much fancy effect. Similarly, we can combine, here we have 2 options. We can combine endwise or we can combine pickwise. Means 2 twill को हम endwise भी combine कर सकते हैं और pickwise भी combine कर सकते हैं. And that again we have 3 options. They can be combined alternately, endwise or pickwise both have again 3 options. One is they can be combined alternately. Means if you are combining endwise, one end from first twill and one end from second twill, and second end from first twill, second end from second twill. Or if you are combining pickwise, first pick from first twill, then first pick from second twill. Again, second pick from first twill, second pick from second twill. In that, so on, we can move throughout the repeat of the design, and we can combine them alternately, one by one. One from this, one from another. One from one twill, one from another twill. In pair means we can take 2 threads from first twill and 2 threads from second twill. First two from that, and then next two from another. In that way, we can combine the ends or picks in pairs. Or we can also combine them in large groups. If the design size is large, then we can go for more group size. Like we can combine 3 threads from first, make a group of first 3 threads, and we can pick up these 3 threads from first twill, and then first 3 from the second twill. In that way, we can make a group of any size. But generally, we prefer alternate combination or combining them alternately. So we will see the examples related with endwise, pickwise combination of 2 small twills on alternate basis or alternately. So here, method of construction, in which the most important thing always we have, that is determination of size. In all the combinations of twill, first we decide the size of the twill. And here, because we can combine endwise and we can combine pickwise, so for both the cases, we are calculating the size of weave separately. So if it is endwise combination, then EPR will be double of LCM of N1 and N2, and PPR will be LCM of N1 and N2. But if it is pickwise, then just reverse will be the case. Your EPR will be LCM of N1 and N2, and PPR will be twice of double of LCM of N1 and N2. What is N1 and N2? N1 and N2 are number of threads in small twills. For example, if you are combining 2 of 1 down twill and 2 of 2 down twill, 2 small twills, then 2 of 1 down is the first twill. So N1 will be 3, 2 plus 1. And if you are taking 2 of 2 down twill as the second twill, then 2 plus 2, that is 4. So N2 will be 4. So on the basis of that, we will calculate the size. So in case of endwise combination, PPR will be LCM, means the minimum size, because here we are doubling it. So because we are combining endwise, so we are not combining pickwise. So जितना pick N1 में है और जितना pick N2 में है, वो दोनों का complete repeat कब आएगा? जब हम उसका LCM लेंगे. And that's why we are taking here LCM of these two. बिकॉज सपोज 2 of 1 down twill and 2 up 2 down twill you are combining, तो अगर आप रिपीट साइज 3 लेते हैं तो 2 up 2 down उसमें कंप्लीट नहीं आएगा, अगर 4 लेते हैं तो 2 of 1 down की कंप्लीट रिपीट्स नहीं आएगी, तो हमें 2 of 1 down और 2 up 2 down की जो साइजेस हैं 3 और 4 उसका एलसीएम लेना पड़ेगा, तो दैट विल बी 12। तो यहाँ हम पीपीआर एलसीएम लेंगे, और क्योंकि एंड वाइज हम कंबाइन कर रहे हैं 2 ट्विल्स को, तो यहाँ पर हम ट्वाइस ऑफ एलसीएम करेंगे। अगर 3 ट्विल को कर रहे हैं तो थ्राइस ऑफ एलसीएम करेंगे, अगर 4 ट्विल को कर रहे हैं तो 4 into एलसीएम करना पड़ेगा। जितनी ट्विल्स हम कंबाइन कर रहे हैं बाय दैट नंबर वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई, बट पीपीआर विल रिमेन सेम फॉर एंड वाइज, एंड जस्ट रिवर्स विल बी द केस। अगर पिक वाइज बना रहे हैं तो ईपीआर विल बी एलसीएम, बट पीपीआर विल बी ट्वाइस when we are combining 2 twills, 3 times when we are combining 3 twills, 4 times when we are combining 4 twills. In that way, first we decide the size, and that will be clear from this example. Before example, we are taking steps of construction. One twill is first indicated on the odd vertical or horizontal spaces. जो हमने फर्स्ट ट्विल जिसको डिसाइड किया, जिसको एज्यूम किया है, तो दैट ट्विल इज फर्स्ट इंडिकेटेड ऑन द odd vertical or horizontal spaces. Vertical and horizontal हमने यहाँ पे इसलिए किया ऑब्लिक, if you are taking you are combining endwise, then it is vertically. First we are indicating vertical space on odd vertical spaces. If you are combining pickwise, then we will take horizontal spaces. So they are either vertical or horizontal spaces. So on first odd vertical or horizontal spaces, first we will indicate the first twill. Then second twill is indicated on the even vertical or horizontal spaces. क्योंकि odd के ऊपर हमने यहाँ पर indicate कर दिया है, तो अब बच रहे हैं हमारे पास even vertical spaces, यानी यहाँ पे आपने 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 पर इंडिकेट कर दिया, तो यहाँ पर बचेंगे 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 जितने भी इवन वर्टिकल स्पेसेस होंगे एंड वाइज में, और यहाँ पर इवन हॉरिजॉन्टल स्पेसेस होंगे पिक वाइज में, जहाँ पर हम सेकंड ट्विल को इंडिकेट करेंगे। यानी कि दोनों ही ट्विल हम इंडिकेट कर रहे हैं, लेकिन अल्टरनेटली इंडिकेट कर रहे हैं, इसलिए ओड के ऊपर एक ट्विल को ले लिया तो इवन के ऊपर दूसरा ट्विल ले रहे हैं। नाउ व्हाट द precaution we have to do when we are constructing draft, that is given in third point. Draft is constructed by keeping in view the overcrowding and number of intersections of threads in the weave. This is for endwise method. For endwise method, the draft is constructed by keeping in view the overcrowding and number of intersections of threads. ये point हमने पहले cover किए थे. What are the points which we should be considered at the time of construction of draft to increase the efficiency of the machine? So in that we have taken 2 points. The hills which are overcrowded, more overcrowded, are placed in the front, and the hills in which the ends which are passing are having more number of intersections, means more strain is there, then they are also passing through front hill frames. So keeping that point in mind, we will allocate the number to the hill frames. मतलब फर्स्ट किस ट्विल को हमें पहले हिल्स में लेना और किस ट्विल को हमें नेक्स्ट हिल्स में लेना है, that will depend on that, on this point. This we will take in the example, then it will be more clear. But if it is a second case, means pickwise combination we are doing, then straight draft will be constructed. ये केवल endwise के लिए applicable होता है, pickwise में आपको ये point applicable नहीं होगा, वहाँ पर केवल straight drafting possible है। तो जितना भी hills है 1 to that number of field frame हमें straight जाना है, diagonal line बनानी है, that will be straight draft. If it is pickwise combination, if it is endwise combination, then we have to consider this point at the time of drafting. Similarly, pick plan is having 2 situations, for endwise different and for pickwise different. So first it is endwise. Pick plan is a combination of both twill views. जो 2 twill view आप combine कर रहे हो, pick plan दोनों का combination होगा, इसलिए जो वर्टिकल स्पेसेस मींस नंबर ऑफ हिल्स क्या होगी, दोनों की हिल्स को हम ऐड कर देंगे तो वर्टिकल स्पेसेस आ जाएंगे n1 + n2। जितनी हिल्स फर्स्ट ट्विल में है और जितनी हिल्स सेकंड ट्विल में है, उन दोनों को ऐड करेंगे तो टोटल हिल्स हमें मिल जाएगी, जो कि हमें पैक प्लान में इंडिकेट करना है वर्टिकल स्पेसेस। हॉरिजॉन्टल स्पेसेस मींस पिक्स, तो जो पिक्स हमने कैलकुलेट किया है एलसीएम ऑफ n1 and n2, यहाँ पे भी पिक्स वही रहेंगे जो डिजाइन के अंदर रहेंगे। इन दैट वे वी विल डिसाइड द साइज ऑफ पैक प्लान और दोनों ट्विल को कंबाइन करके वहां पर हम इंडिकेट करेंगे. एंड इन केस ऑफ पिकवाइज कंस्ट्रक्शन, पेक प्लान इज सेम एज वी. जो वी होगा वैसा का वैसा पेक प्लान होगा, क्योंकि हम यहाँ पे स्ट्रेट ड्राफ्ट ले रहे हैं. व्हेन ड्राफ्ट इज स्ट्रेट, देन पेक प्लान इज सेम एज डिजाइन. Here we are taking example, and for example we are combining two small twills. One is 2 up 2 down twill, which is a 4 end twill. Another is 3 up 3 down twill, which is 6 end twill. So 2 up 2 down can be constructed in 4 cross 4, and 3 up 3 down can be constructed in 6 cross 6. So these twills we are taking as a small twills, which we are combining here to construct combined twills. So here n1 is 4, because 2 up 2 down को हम first twill ले रहे हैं. n1 will be 4, and 3 up 3 down को हम second twill ले रहे हैं. n2 will be 6. So endwise and pickwise. So if you are following endwise method, then EPR can be calculated by taking twice of LCM of n1 and n2, means 4 and 6 in this case. और 4 और 6 का LCM क्या होगा? 12. So 12 multiplied by 2, ends per repeat will be 24. In this way, first we decide ends per repeat for the design. Picks per repeat is LCM of 4 and 6, so that will be 12. So the view, this combined twill will be constructed in 24 ends and 12 picks. In this way, first we have to determine the size of the combined twill. If we are following pickwise method, then EPR will be LCM, that is 12. EPR will be twice of LCM, that will be 24. So a combined twill by pickwise method or pickwise combination, it can be constructed in 12 cross 24, just reverse of this. So remember, we are combining 2 up 2 down and 3 up 3 down. So we are getting a size for endwise 24 by 12, and for pickwise we are getting 12 by 24. I have scheduled the class for 45 minutes, but it is showing that only 3-4 minutes are left. So if class ends after 3-4 minutes, please join again with the same link. वापस उसी लिंक से आप ज्वाइन कर लें अगर क्लास 3 या 4 मिनट में क्लोज हो जाती है. तो क्लास एंड होती है तो आपको वापस ज्वाइन करना है, so that we will continue the topic. So here we have taken 2 up 2 down twill, which I have indicated at the side, first twill, and 3 up 3 down twill, the second twill. Method of construction already you know, by advancing 1, endwise method I have taken here, or diagonal method, and similarly advancing by 1 you can indicate 3 up 3 down twill. ये दोनों twills अगर आप side में indicate करते हैं, then आपको थोड़ा construction easy हो जाएगा combined twill का. That's why I have indicated them at the side. Now taking a size 24 by 12 here. So focus here on 24 by 12 design. Design size is 24 by 12, which we have calculated, and I have shown in the previous slide. Draft will be constructed on 24 ends, and how many horizontal spaces? That will depend on N1 and N2. N1 में 4 heels चाहिए और N2 में हमें 6 heels चाहिए. 4 plus 6, that is 10. So N1 plus N2 को हम add करेंगे तो number of heels आ जाएगा, that is 10. So horizontal spaces required for this draft will be 24 by 10. Horizontal spaces 10, and vertical, because ends are 24 in the design. So 24 by 10 will be the size for draft. Similarly, size of lifting plan, as I have mentioned in the previous slide, N1 and N2, number of heels. So here it is 4 plus 6, 10. So 10 is the vertical spaces, and horizontal spaces will be equal to PPR. So here it will be 12 picks. So lifting plan will be constructed in 10 cross 12. The first end of the first wheel is 2 up 2 down. So here you can see this is first 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. जो भी odd है मैंने उसको रेड कलर से शो किया है, और जो भी even है उसको ग्रीन कलर से शो किया हुआ है 2 4 6 8 10 इन सबको। तो रेड कलर फॉर फर्स्ट 12 एंड ग्रीन कलर फॉर सेकंड 12। So 2 up, 2 down, 2 up, 2 down, 2 up, 2 down. That is first end. In second end is 1 down, 2 up. That will be indicated on second odd vertical spaces. Means third vertical space. इस एक तरह से थर्ड वर्टिकल स्पेस होगा, बट ये सेकंड ऑड वर्टिकल स्पेस होगा। वहां पर हम सेकंड एंड को इंडिकेट करेंगे 1 down 2 up, then 2 down 2 up, 2 down 2 up,